Concrete is one of the most common and most durable building materials there is. But when good concrete goes bad, you need a product that's even tougher in order to make permanent, cost-effective repairs. The Sidewalk featured in this video is located just outside of a busy flooring and furniture retail center. As the concrete became worse and worse, the owner worried that customers could trip or fall on the damaged sidewalk while loading their vehicle or while simply walking into the store. One bad step could lead to some seriously costly issues. The owner had previously tried patching the sidewalk with traditional concrete, which quickly cracked and failed. This time, she wanted a repair that will last. Abotron's ABOCRETE works quickly and effectively to repair pitted, spalled, or cracked concrete and can help prevent these potentially costly problems. ABOCRETE is an extremely strong and extremely adhesive self-leveling epoxy patching compound. It's easy to use and outperforms any bagged cement mix or water-based concrete patch. Before getting started, it's important to prepare the concrete for the repair. Loose debris and dirt should be removed, and any grease or oil should be thoroughly cleaned. You want a clean, dry substrate before starting your repair. Plastic or foam rope can be used as a backing material in cracks or pockets in the concrete. ABOCRETE is easy to mix and apply. Start with a clean, dry bucket and simply combine 4 parts of ABOCRETE Part A with 1 part of ABOCRETE Part B. Thoroughly mix the epoxy for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure the 2 parts are completely combined. Once mixed, slowly add sand to the ABOCRETE while continuing to stir the mixture. Continue adding sand until you reach the desired application consistency. ABOCRETE can be poured, troweled, or squeegeed into place and will self-level in accordance with the amount of sand that has been added. For filling smaller cracks that require precision, ABOCRETE can be applied with a plastic applicator bottle. ABOCRETE's working time ranges from 20 to 30 minutes depending largely on temperature. It can be smoothed and spread with a flexible scraper or putty knife. Rubbing alcohol can be used as a solvent to feather edges and prevent the ABOCRETE from sticking to your tools. For additional traction and a decorative finish, a generous coating of color grit can be broadcast onto the wet ABOCRETE. The grit sets into the epoxy, creating a slip-resistant, durable finish that will hold up for years. A wide range of colors as well as pre-blended mixes are available. The ABOCRETE patches will harden in just a few hours. Once hardened, any excess color grit is simply swept away and the repair is complete, creating a safe, extremely durable ABOCRETE patch. For long-lasting, easy-to-apply repairs, rely on ABOCRETE to improve the safety and aesthetics of your concrete.